Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn off firewall or network protection in Windows 11. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the window and here you will see setting options. Click on it and then click on firewall or network protection. And then you will see domain network firewall is on and private network firewall is on. So if you want to turn it off, just click on it and then turn it off and then click on yes options and you can see this option is off. So guys, in this way you can turn off firewall or network protection options. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.